In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Mailerlite, organize subscribers, and send automated email campaigns. First, create your Mailerlite account and log in. Once you're in, head over to the subscribers section. This is where you'll add your contacts. You can import a file, like a CSV if you have a list ready, or add people one by one if you're just getting started. Make sure everyone on your list has given permission to receive emails from you. That keeps your deliverability healthy and your audience happy. Next, go to groups to organize those subscribers. Think of groups as labels that help you send the right message to the right people. You might create groups like customers, leads, or newsletter. Clear grouping sets you up for targeted campaigns and better results. Now, go to campaigns and click Create Campaign to start your first email. Choose a regular campaign, enter a clear, benefit-driven subject line, and pick a template that matches your brand. Templates give you a polished starting point, and you can customize everything to fit your style. In the drag and drop editor, add text, images, buttons, and sections. Keep your message focused with a strong headline, short paragraphs, and a single primary call to action. Use high-quality images and descriptive alt text so your email looks good and stays accessible. Double check your links and make sure your button stands out. Click Preview to see how your email looks on desktop and mobile. Most subscribers will view on a phone, so confirm that fonts are legible, images scale correctly, and buttons are easy to tap. When it looks right, click Done Editing. Choose the subscriber group you want to reach, then decide whether to schedule or send now. Scheduling can help you hit time zones or send at a time when your audience is most engaged. To grow your list, go to Forms and create a pop-up or embedded form. Pop-ups are great for capturing attention, while embedded forms fit naturally into your pages. Customize the design and fields, connect the form to a specific subscriber group, and add it to your website. You can usually copy and paste the embed code or use your site's integrations. For automated emails, go to Automation and click Create Workflow. Set a trigger like joins a group, which pairs perfectly with your forms. Add emails, delays, and conditions to guide subscribers through a welcome series or nurture flow. When everything looks good, turn the workflow on and let Mailerlite handle the rest.